So, as an African who has lived outside of Africa for so many years, I, in summer only, only in summer, I always I always go out to ground. To ground, like what I mean by grounding is this. Let me show you what I mean. See? So I always go out whenever the sun comes out, like early in the morning, say between 8 and 11. I always go out to ground because living abroad, we are used to sorry, I chew sticks after brushing my teeth with organic paste. I usually chew stick. I bought it in Lagos. So after living here for so many no, living here overseas, we've been you are should I use the word mandated? You are mandated to always put on shoes, put on slippers, because it's human beings have made natural everyday how we are supposed to live activities to be like if you don't do it like that, like if you don't conform to the norm, you become like an outsider, like they tag you uncivilized, uncultured, so you are programmed to automatically wear shoes and shit and cover yourself in clothing and all that. So even when the sun comes out, it doesn't actually heat your skin to um to make your body produce calciferol D3, which is what they call vitamin D. Yeah, which is like no, I can make a video on that, but it's not what I want to talk about today. So whenever the sun comes out, only in summer, because if you live, if you're in the abroad, winter can be very like unforgiving sometimes. So whenever the sun comes out, like today, the sun is been like the weather is very nice. Let me switch the camera, show you the sun. Yeah. So it's like, I think it's almost 22 degrees Celsius now. I know, right? 22 degrees Celsius, and we are thanking God. We'll pay top dollars to have like our Nigerian weather here in Europe. I know some of you in Nigeria, you despise the weather and all that. You talk bad, you talk down on your weather, but let me tell you, there is a reason why God placed you in Africa. You should seriously appreciate you being in Africa. If I could have, if I done, it would be like the sun will reflect, affect the camera and shit. So so whenever the sun comes out, I always go out to ground. And believe me, you don't know how good it feels to actually walk barefoot for a minute. Like you touch the ground, like the magnetism, the trans, the science. The science. It's a science on its own, which I don't want to go into right now. But grounding is like, you feel connected. You feel connected. You reattach yourself to nature, and it just feels good. So I always do this when the sun comes out, and yeah, I did not jog today because I covered like 30,000 steps yesterday, and then I'm on fasting, so I don't want to like stress myself any further. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you're living a healthy life. I wish you guys well. Happy weekend.
They hooked up the hitch and drived off down the hill. On the way home, McGee said to Dee, "That trip wasn't quite like I thought it would be."